Jimmy from Cuff N Stuff. Man, have we got a good one for you today. We're gonna cook up some crispy, zesty chicken wings, lemon pepper chicken wings. Man, these will rival any wing joint, and I'm gonna show you how to do it right in your own backyard. So, hang tight.
Welcome to Cuff N Stuff.
Okay, well, you see we've got 2 trays of raw chicken wings, okay? Now these wings have been in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. That's just, it helps take the moisture out of the skin. And the secret to doing this, apparently, is to pat this skin just as dry as you can get it before you put it on the grill. So that's what we're doing. We're just patting dry. All right. First, this is duck fat. I'm going to take a little duck fat and spray over the top. This is going to help our seasoning stick and also help crisp up the wings. To that, I'm going to add, this is a little garlic powder. We're going to sprinkle just a little light coating of garlic powder over the top. There we go. And this is 16 mesh black pepper Alton. This is your black powder pepper. All right, we're going to put a little coating of black pepper over the top. All right. And we'll let this sit out while we get the fire ready. Well, what I've got, I have laid down both trays of the wings. I've got a smoke tube in the back, and we're gonna let them go. So let's close it up. I'm gonna open the top vent up about halfway. The bottom is wide open, and we're probably gonna let it go half an hour or so before we come back and check on it. We're gonna be running the grill from about 375 to 400 degrees. You notice I have all of the chicken wings away from the fire on the cool side. That's gonna allow the chicken to get done before the skin burns. So we're going for that crispy skin. So hang tight. Okay, they've been on about 40 minutes, maybe 45, I doubt it. Let's check them and see. We're still running like right at between 375 and 400. Oh yeah, look at that color. Now, all I want is I want these to be at least 165. And these are showing, all of them are 165 or better. So, let's take, and the first thing I want to do is I want to take my smoke tube out. I'm just going to set it over here out of the way. And I'm going to take these, and one at a time, I'm going to put them right over direct heat. Just like this. Now, of course, I can't do them all at once, but I'm going to put as many as I can get over the direct heat and let these boogers cook over that hot fire. And I'm going to let them sit there for a minute or so, and then we're going to take them and we're going to turn them. Okay, wings are done. Let's take them off. Ah, yeah. Look at the color on these wings. My goodness. All right. Well, it's time to go over and we're gonna sauce these wings. So come on over to the table with me. All right, this is 2 sticks of butter. I wanna take, let me get the glove on because this little trick works and it's worth doing. I'm gonna squeeze this lemon and catch everything in it. And see, I'm catching the seeds and everything in it. Just the lemon is running into the mixture here. That way I don't lose seeds down in it and spread seeds all over it and whatever else. Again, this is 2 lemons, just the juice. All right, one last half. There we go. All right, now I'll take that glove off. I'm gonna get my grater box here. And I'm gonna take, and we're gonna do the zest. I'm gonna use the small holes for this. And we're just gonna get the zest from this lemon. You know, I like the pop that lemon gives. This lemon pepper wings, you can use lemon pepper seasoning, but you won't get wings that turn out like this. Real zest, oh my goodness. Night and day, night and day. All right, there we go. All right, now let's stir all this up. I'm gonna put a little bit of this 16 mesh black pepper in it. And just a touch of garlic, which is what we started with. Now this is salted butter, so I don't need to add more salt. Plus, if you have any blood pressure issues in your family, you stay away from the salt when you can. All right. Now, let's take this. I've got a big bowl. I'm gonna pull up these wings and put them in. I'm not gonna do all of them to start with, maybe half. Let's see. Again, I've only got 2 sticks of butter, so all right, that's good. All right, I'm gonna take and I'm gonna pour this lemon, pepper, and butter over the top of these. All right, here goes. Don't laugh. Look at that. We got them mixed up good. I'm gonna take them, and those I've got mixed up, I'm just gonna pour them right back in there, and let's do the rest of them. Oh, those look so good. Come on, let's get the rest of them. I want to do a taste test on this. get them all in. That one doesn't want to go. Get yourself in there. All right. We can do. All right. Let's toss in. Yeah, I can get it everywhere. It's all right. I'll clean it up. All right. And there we go. You know, let me get some napkins because this is going to be good stuff. Already know. Let's get one of these wings. Pull them apart here. Look at that. Bone just fell out. Hot. But, oh my goodness. The zest from the lemon. That butter flavor. The skin crisp up pretty good. Hey, just on the grill. Question, are you team saucy or just dry rub? Drop a comment below. Hey, listen, thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe. I'll have another video just for you on this side. But hit that thumbs up, give me a like, share. None of that'll cost you a dime. Until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.